Hi, welcome to my EcoBUZZ. My name is Jessica Gregory. If you are looking forward to spring and some signs of life in the air, I have a couple of suggestions for you this week as far as how to attract some birds into your neighborhood, even if you live in a suburban or urban area like I do. So let's go take a look at a couple of ideas. One of the things I've done is to actually hang up a suet bird feeder. The benefit of this is that this tree is fairly large, so it gives the birds a sense of safety and shelter, so that if they sense a predator near or they get uncomfortable with humans walking by on the sidewalk, they can easily go up higher in the tree. But they feel comfortable coming down closer to the suet feeder because of that safety feeling. So this is kind of fun. What happened was I noticed a woodpecker up in this tree one day, and I was like, I wonder what would happen if I put a suet feeder out. So I did, and I have now had several birds come to visit, and my two daughters and I have enjoyed watching them from our front window. But I've had a pair of downy woodpeckers and a red-bellied woodpecker, which is one of the larger woodpeckers we have in Michigan, as well as a nuthatch. And of course I've seen a squirrel or two as well, but it's been really fun. So this is something pretty simple that you can do. Really, you don't need that many materials. What I would suggest is a little hook like this. It's got a screw on the end. So what I did was I just screwed that into the tree, and these little suet feeders you buy at really any store. I got these at Meijer, but you can get them at hardware stores or maybe even pet shops, or order them online just for a few dollars. Okay, just a standard suet feeder. And there are different types of suet that you can get too. So I have a couple of examples here that I can show you. This one is a peanut suet, and I had put one of these out here before and found that the woodpeckers really loved it. It disappeared in just a few days. So I'm going to try one of these again. Another one that they like is this bird's blend, or anything that has the black oil sunflower seeds in it. So they really like those as well. So that's what I have in there now, is a one with the black oil sunflower seeds. So what you really want to watch for with the suet is to look at the nutrition facts here and look for the crude fat content. It should be at least 30%, and higher is better, and that's because it gives the birds the fat content that they need to provide the energy to keep warm and do all the things that they need to do. So one of the reasons why putting up these suet feeders is a good idea is not only for our enjoyment and getting to watch the birds that visit, but it also helps to provide the birds with food sources in a habitat or type of environment where those food sources may normally be scarce, especially in the wintertime. So it's helping the birds out too. And since we have two feeders up now, it gives the birds a little bit of extra perching room, which is good because they can get a little territorial. So hopefully you have fun this week trying to attract some of your neighborhood birds, and I'd love to see pictures or hear about your stories, so let me know. All right, well, have a good week. Happy naturing.